Good day, everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about the laundry detergent sheets from Sustainables. These sheets are great for a lot of reasons. The first one is its weight. One sheet is all you could use for some of your loads. This box holds up to 100 sheets, and it states that it can, depending on how you use it, you can get as many as 200 loads out of this one box. Just think of how many bottles of laundry detergent you would need just to do 100 loads of laundry. The sheets dissolve fast, leaving no soapy residue on your clothes, something we have experienced with the soap packs that you buy. So no more lugging heavy bottles of laundry soap up and down stairs or walking to the laundromat or to travel with or whatever. The whole box itself weighs about 14 ounces. So once again, think about how many bottles would make up 100 loads that are going also into your landfill. This itself is its own container. The product itself dissolves away in the laundry, so all you have is a recyclable box here to take care of. For us, this is really a win-win-win. It works great, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. And I really think it's a great saver of a lot of, frustration, energy, time, money, things like that. This little product here is a cool little saver of a lot of things. So if you'd like to find out more, click on the link below about this product. And also, if you could, click like and subscribe on this as well, because it really does help out the channel quite a bit. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.